So one of the reasons that we do come out to trade shows like SEMA is to see new products, but we also come to visit and see products that we already have relationships with. Karen's here, she works with Eastman, who is the representative for SunTek. That's the paint protection film and window tint that we buy. You see all our videos. Karen, how's the SEMA show? This is day 2. How's it going?
Day 2. Over Halloween, it's going really, really well. Busy today, so I can't complain.
Yeah,
it's going really well.
One of the reasons that we love the companies that we work with is not only do the products that we install on our clients' cars represent us and they have to last, but we also get the backing of the brand. We get software that is fantastic software with Core, that's SunTek and Eastman software, and we also get extended training. We've just got a couple of our techs, we talked about this recently, came back for some extended training for paint protection film. We love the partnership, and we love getting to see our friends while we're at these shows. So thanks for the partnership. Thank you guys for being here. This is awesome.
Thank you.